Well, hello everybody. Happy Friday. This is Bill. And we have a very slow westbound. Looks like coal. My eyes are not too good. You know, when you get older, that kind of stuff happens. Yeah, it's coal. Good enough. Look at that. How nice is that? Into the sunset it goes. Yeah, it's been a pretty nice day today. No clouds. It's a little chilly, but that's all right. Yeah, I thought I'd come out. Sick and tired of sitting in my room watching TV. Time to come and do the fun stuff of life. And this is the fun stuff of life. All right, let's flip around. I want to bang the legs of this tripod. Look at how slow that's going. Yeah, that's neat. Yeah, it looks like the sun is shimmering off these cars. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. Keeping warm. Yeah, thank you everybody for all the subscriptions, the viewing. Very kind of you. I thank you very much. Oh, maybe this train needs a little bit of a push. Alright, let's go down further. I kind of like it better in this way, when they're a little bit slower. Instead of going so fast I can't get the engine number. The reflexes are not as good as they used to be. Oh wow, love it. Probably trying to sneak into the Spokane yard without anybody knowing. That I doubt. Ah, another car with a square wheel. They're gonna have to get that fixed. Yeah, looks like I might be getting my van started here soon. All I need is a starter. Almost everything in that motor is new. Fuse box, got a brand new fuse box. Not sure what the other one is. I think it's PCM or PCU or something like that. Got a new one of those. Oh, new spark plugs, new battery. What I'd really like to do, if I could, is go to Burning Man before I get too old. That sounds like a lot of fun to me. A lot of people want me to go. Wow, this is a nice long train. How cool. And that humming that the wheels and the rails give off, that's a nice sound. And I can see the end locomotive. Yeah, I just got here about maybe 3 minutes ago. And voila. So that was kind of nice. I might wait for a few more while I got the sun. I don't have too much left of it. And there's the end. 5490. Oh, right on. That was cool. All right, everybody. I'm going to wait here for a couple more and then go home and, you know, get warm. I forgot my gloves. But everybody take care. Have a fabulous Friday. Now stay out of trouble now, huh? All right. Be good. Bill out.